Just 3 ingredients and it simply melts in your mouth. So start by adding 200 grams of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of margarine, and 250 milliliters of condensed milk. You want to just add little by little. Now just stir and mix all of these ingredients together. The condensed milk should be added until the dough is nice and thick. Now at this point, stir and mix with your hands. It's a little bit easier. And you're wanting to form a smooth, super homogeneous dough. Now I think the tip is to do it with your hands. This way you can finish the cookies quicker, but it also just helps you feel the dough and the smoothness. So just knead the dough without too much force, and our dough is ready. And you can see how beautiful it looks. It is super smooth. Now go ahead and place your dough on a board. And with your hands, you just want to roll it out into a rectangle shape. You can also double the amount of ingredients if you prefer, but this will be a nice serving size. Now just knead the dough into this shape, and with a knife, you just want to divide the dough in half. Then cut down the sides like this, and then cut into small squares. Now, ideally, all the cookies should be the same size. And just roll and shape these into small balls. You can roll into the size you prefer, but this is the size that I prefer. So then just set aside and repeat the process. And once finished, this is the result of the cookies. Now, I prefer to bake them with baking paper underneath. It just makes for a little bit of a easier and cleaner baking process. You just want to place one next to the other to bake. And the tip is to make the cookie as big as you like. There are no rules here, so they can be big or small. Now to finish with the tip of a fork, just press them together until they form this kind of design. Super easy and quick to make. And after finishing, we're just going to bake in the oven at 320 degrees for 15 minutes. And after that time, our cookies are ready. Look at that. They turn out nice and tasty. So you just want to put these little cookies into a bowl and serve them to your family. The taste will surprise you. They are so, so good. I love this recipe. It's super simple. Shall we try it? Please enjoy.